Okay. Let's do some letters. Okay. What letter's this one?
R.
R. Very good. This one? Froggy? What letter is it? Thank you. What letter is it?
F for Froggy.
F for Froggy.
V as friend.
V for vegetables.
C as ducking.
That's right. What about this one?
D as ducky.
Right. What about this one?
Mean. M
M for mirror. Very good.
Y xylophone.
Well, that's a yo-yo, not a xylophone. What's the letter?
Yo-yo.
What's the letter?
Yo-yo.
It's a yo-yo. What letter is this, honey?
Y.
A Y. Very good.
N.
Oh, we already did those two. This one?
Xylophone.
Very good. Yep, you can see. This one?
Okay.
Oh, that one's all gone? Thank you. What letter?
T. Explain. U. Apple.
That's right. This one?
One more.
One more. That's good. What letter's this one? Do you know what letter this one is, Matea?
T.
Key. And what's the letter?
K.
K. Very good. This one.
P. K. Q.
Q. That's right. And this one?
C.
And this one? And what letter?
H.
H. What letter's this one? And this one?
Apple. B. Apple. Spider.
S for spider.
E. Apple.
This one?
Owl. O. Owl.
O for owl.
H. G. Grass.
That's right. G for grass.
J.
What letter's this one?
J.
J. That's right. And what letter's this one?
Wheel.
W. Oh, we did them all.
Yeah.
We did them all. Did we do that one?
Yeah.
What's that one? N for?
Nine.
No.